How to change the search engine on iOS 18.2. Have you ever wanted to customize your browsing experience on iOS? In this video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine on iOS 18.2 in just a few simple steps. First, head to your Settings app. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Search and tap on it. Once you're on the Search Settings page, look for the section labeled Search Engine. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can select from several search engine options. Here, iOS 18.2 offers you a choice between Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, or Ecosia. Simply tap on the search engine you prefer, and it will instantly become your new default for web searches. And that's it. In under a minute, you've tailored your iOS device to suit your browsing preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.